Maths tutorial. In this video, we're going to be introducing an educational website called Kahoot. Kahoot contains games that are mostly based on multiple choice questions and can be accessed with any device that's connected to the internet. To start it off, let's first learn how to create an account in Kahoot. First, search for kahoot.com in your web browser. Once the web page is loaded, click on Sign Up for Free. For this video purpose, we want to stimulate how a teacher would navigate around Kahoot, and therefore we will click on Teacher. It will prompt you to describe your workplace. You can choose any of these options based on your workplace. Options are schools, higher education, school admin, and business. Let's just click on school as an example. Next, input your email address and your password. Alternatively, you can continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Clever. Once you're all logged in, Kahoot would offer you 4 plans that include free plans and paid ones. You can choose any of these plans that match your desire the most, but in this video, let's just go with the free plan. After the plan is clicked on, you will be prompted to enter your name, username, country, and school name. However, you can skip this step by clicking on Maybe Later. In case you are wondering how to create a Kahoot quiz, we are here to show you how. Starting from the Kahoot's homepage, click on the blue Create button on the top right. You'll be redirected to a new page where it shows you different template options. For example, we are going to be creating a blank page, so just click on Create New Kahoot. With a blank Kahoot, you can modify questions, question type, add answers like MCQ, insert media, set the time limit, and the distribution of points. When you're writing your question, there are countless tools that can help you write. These include bold, italicized, superscript, subscript, special symbols, and also Math Equation Editor. Math Equation Editor allows us to type in mathematical symbols and functions easily. To use this feature, click on the question box. Once you do that, mathematical functions would appear on top of the question box. Click on any of them, then the Math Equation Editor would pop up. Kahoot also allows users to upload music, videos, sound, and many more. To do this, click on the plus button on the center. Kahoot offers given images like GIFs and audio that can be used for free and easily searched through the search bar, although it is limited. However, you are also able to freely upload your own images. To upload an image, you can simply drag the image to the screen or click on Upload Image located on the bottom. To upload sounds, click on the audio, then type in the text to be read out loud. You can also customize the audio language by clicking on the drop-down list and selecting a language. After you are done, simply click Add. To add a video from YouTube, click on Videos, then paste the link of the video. Once you are done, click again on Add. Now let us take a look at adding the answers. Here's a pro tip. You can upload images as alternatives to typing down the choices. However, if you prefer typing it down, Kahoot provides you with the same basic features as writing a question, like superscript, bold, italicized, and etc. Once you have written down all of your choices, you can finally choose which one to be the correct answer. All you need to do is click on the circle box. We are now moving on to setting the time limits, distribution of points, question types, and answer options. You can do this by looking over to the right side of the screen. A menu with the option to change the time limit, distribution of points, question types, and answer options are there. To pick a question type, click on the drop-down list under the question type. There, you are provided with options categorized into test knowledge, collect opinions, and present info. For the free version, you could only change the question type to either quiz, MCQ, or true or false. You can set the time limit from a range of 5 seconds to 4 minutes. Kahoot also enables you to customize the point distribution to standard, double points, or no points. To adjust the answer options, click on the drop-down menu under the answer options, then pick either single or multi-select. If you want to add another question, simply click on the Add Question on the left side of the screen. After that, choose your preferred question type. To make it easier for you, you can search your desired question type on the search bar of the question bank. After it is chosen, apply the same process done on the first question to do the second question, and so on. Once you are done, do not forget to enter the name of your Kahoot by typing it down on the Enter Kahoot title box located on the top left. Make sure to also preview your work on how it would look like on the actual game before clicking Done. To do this, click on Preview on the top right. After you are happy with your work, you may click on Done, and there you go, you have created your own Kahoot. After you have created your Kahoot, it's time to start sharing them. To do this, click on Play and then Assign. You have two choices of how you want to share your Kahoot. One is live game, while the other is assigned to learners who play the game whenever they choose to. Let's take a look at Assign first. Click on Assign. Then a pop-up will appear and ask you several questions, like the date on which the Kahoot should be submitted along with the time. After that, you may want to set the options like question timer, randomized answer order, and a nickname generator according to your preference. After you are done, click on Create. This will redirect you to a different page on Kahoot and will give you the option to copy the URL. It also provides you with a game pin. Keep in mind that you can have multiple of these Kahoots running at the same time. If you want to look at the report, just click on the Report button on the menu. Afterwards, click on the Kahoot that you want to see a report on. Here you can see different types of reports, one of which is the questions that people got correct or wrong, and so you'll be able to find out which question is the hardest, and etc. If you do not want to opt for the assign method, you can share it as a live game. In order to do this, click on Library. Then press play, and instead of clicking on Assign like we did before, you click on Teach. You will then be redirected to a page where you can set your game modes and game options. Simply click on the On and Off button to set your game options. For the game mode, you can opt for either Team or One-on-One. Once you click on which mode you prefer, a game pin will be generated for your students to join. Once your students join, click on Start. Once the game is finished, you are able to view the report by going back to the main menu and clicking on Report. Afterwards, click on the game you just played, and a fully detailed report will be available similar to the one on the Kahoot assigning quiz. That is all for today's tutorial. I hope this tutorial eases you on creating an account in Kahoot, creating a Kahoot, and assigning a Kahoot. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and to get notified for every new tutorial video, click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That is it for now. See you in the next tutorial video. Bye!